I absolutely love my Nespresso coffee and espresso maker machine. And look how nice it is. It has a 5-cup water reservoir on this side and a pod holder on this side. Really nice. And I just recently bought this Barista pack of coffee pods. And you get 10 in each package, so 30 in all. And you don't need to go to your coffee shop. You can just have it at home. So you're going to get 10 of the caramel cookies, 10 hazelino muffin, and 10 of the vanilla custard pie. Now, all these are medium roast coffees and they taste delicious. And they're also very hint of flavor, so it's not overpowering, and which I really like. So let me show you how easy it is to make a cup of coffee yourself. So what we're going to do is open this up, and that's by turning it this way to unlock it, just like that. And let's put the caramel cookie inside, put it in like that, and then close it up. When you close it up, it pierces it. And what we're going to do is now turn this lever, and that locks it into place. And then all you have to do is push this button and wait for your delicious cup of coffee. And it brews so quickly, which I absolutely love, because when you want a cup of coffee, you want it now, right? And that's what's really nice about this machine. You don't have to brew a whole pot of coffee. Sometimes you just may want one, or maybe you have a guest over and you want to pour a second one. And that's it. Look how quickly it already started pouring out. I just love it. And do you see that foam? That's not dairy foam. That is the coffee foam. And it just looks really nice, and it tastes even better too. It's almost done. And it just smells so fantastic. Love the smell of fresh brewed coffee. And that's how simple it is to use this Nespresso coffee machine. Now, what we're gonna do is unlock it, and then you're gonna see that the pod is gonna pop out, go through the reservoir and into the side compartment, just like this. Perfect. And then you just close the machine. And this way it saves it for a later time. So, sometimes you just want to brew another cup of coffee and you don't want to throw this away. So it accumulates several on the side compartment. And this is where the water reservoir is. And it's also very easy to do. It is detachable. And then you just flip this open and pour more water inside it. And then you just put it back on this side and it locks right into place. That's how simple it is. And let me show you a close-up of the coffee pods. So this is what the coffee pods look like, and they are specifically made for the VertuoLine. This is in caramel cookie, which is rich and buttery. And this is what the hazelino muffin looks like. And this one is sweet and nutty. And this is what the vanilla custard pie looks like. And that one is creamy and smooth. And here's a close-up of what the coffee looks like. As you can see, it foams nicely up and really tasty too. And my favorite part of all is the taste. So good. And these are all medium roast coffees, which I absolutely love. And let me also show you what the pod looks like after it's used. And this is the close-up of what the used pod looks like. As you can see, it pierces here in the middle with holes around it too. And that's how the coffee gets dispersed. The water goes in and the coffee comes out. So if you're looking for a single serve coffee machine, definitely recommend the Nespresso, and also all this Barista flavor pack too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.